Alright guys, so I'm about to unlock the tiny egg of non-existence. If you don't know what that is, I will show you what that is. So basically what you have to do is you have to go into the Metaverse Champions hub. Okay, you have to go into the hub, and then you gotta do some stuff. So first you gotta get 40 badges from the Metaverse event. I know it's a lot. You gotta get 40 totals. I've already gotten all the badges, but sometimes you might not be able to get 40 if you've got some of the Metaverse characters already. Like I have 3 of them. I didn't get the first week of AJ Striker thing, so I couldn't get that obviously. I just have to wait for this to load in. Wait, this is taking a while. But yeah, let's actually test it. Moment of truth. We go into the hub. If I collected all the badges I need and stand in one of these like Roblox symbol thingies, it should light up white. I'm just gonna wait for the game to load in, so I know. And in case you don't know what the Metaverse Champions are, it's the new egg hunt, like from like Egg Hunt 2020 and Egg Hunt 2019. Basically, what you do is you just go along or around collecting these badges. And I've collected all the badges I need. I'm pretty sure if I need to collect 40, I'm gonna be pissed off. Let me see. Dude, I can do it. I can do the thing. It lights up white. It lights up white. Now I just need to tell everyone to stand the things. And I'm telling everyone to stand on one of these Roblox plates here. So everyone needs to stand on them. So there needs to be 11 people standing on one of these plates in total. And these things only turn white if you get the badges requirements. So because I have the badge requirements, it turns white when I stand on it. And there are 11 ones around the map, and we need one person to stand at each one. And I have found some working servers that do it. We're just gonna wait for like a minute, and I'll tell you guys if it happens. By the way, if you want to know how like what happens, like basically if 11 people are like standing on the plates, a cutscene will trigger, a portal will unlock, and you go into the portal and you get the item. So yeah, that's basically all you do. I'll wait here for like a minute and hope I get it. And if I don't, then new server. Alright guys, so I almost have enough people for the thing. We just need like one more person, I think. I'm pretty sure. I don't know how many people are on them right now. I just know I'm on one, this guy's on one. Okay, we seriously, I think, just need like one more person. So I'll come back if I get the cutscene. I just wanted to update you guys on how long I've been in the server. I've been in the server for like 10 minutes, and finally people are starting to go on the plates. Alright, I'll tell you guys if I see anything interesting or like get the cutscene. Oh, come on guys. We're just waiting for this one more person to join. We literally just need one more person to activate the dumb cutscene. Come on. There's literally like so many people in the server who have it. Like, I don't understand why we didn't get it yet. Come on. Like, I found 2 servers with it, like, 3rd try. My god. And literally, we need like one more person. Oh my god, that's so funny. We need one more. Oh. I think someone has it. Wait, I think there are enough people. I think there's enough people. But I think we're gonna get it soon. Wait, this guy's like, step aside. I'm like, I'm on it. No, you go on last. I'm not getting out. Oh my god. Oh! The cutscene. It's playing. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I'm actually about to get it. No way. No way I'm actually about to get it. And then I just get disconnected. Want. Oh my god, hold on. Am I about to get it? There's no way. I spent all this time. I spent all this time. Is it worth it? Please. Please. Please, please. Come on. Come on. I got teleported to the thing. Wait, I think I'm about to get it. There's no... Oh God, my grammar. There's no way. There's no way. I think... Did I get it? Bro, please. Oh, the egg. Oh! Whoa. Whoa. I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh my God. Oh, by the way, guys, sorry if you hear some stuff in the background. It's just my parents talking. We're having like a family dinner. Oh my God. Wait, so what's this? So I see all the eggs from the old Egg Hunt 2020 and like Egg Hunt 2019. Oh, the other guy's mad because he's like, it didn't work. Yeah, oh, I honestly feel bad for him. Because like he didn't get on the last one. And if he reports me and I get banned, I swear to God. Oh my God. So we get to see all the eggs now, right? Wait, I'm pretty sure I got it. Hold on, let's check. I think I got it. I think I got it. Let's go into my inventory. Home. There's no way. There's no way I actually got it. Avatar. Please. 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 I got it! I got it. I got it. Let's actually go. Let's actually go. Wait, let's go. Let's go. Where hold on. Where's the robot head? Where is it? Where's the dumb robot head? I need the robot head for the invisible head glitch. Where's the thing? Where's the thing? Oh my God. Oh, dumb I'm in clothing. Head. I need noob attack head thing. Yeah, please. R6. Oh, I see it! I see it! Oh, it's so small. Oh my God, but I actually see it though. I actually see it. There's no way. There's no... Hold on. I actually got it. Here, let me make an avatar with it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just made an avatar with it, and it looks sick. Okay, hold on. Let me just check my friends. I got it. This is unbelievable. I've been wanting this thing ever since I heard it was a thing. And I actually got it. This makes up for all the things that, like, I missed. Like, all the event things I missed. Let me join one of my friends. Or no, you know what? I'm just going to join Metaverse Champions Hub. It's probably the best game that I should join right now. Oh my God, I literally got the egg. I literally got the egg. I don't know why it's so small though, but like I got it. And it's probably going to be a rare item. It's a new egg. Okay, for some weird reason I thought it was going to be a sideways egg. I don't know. I knew it was going to be small, but I thought it was going to be a sideways egg. No, I think I know there's a backstory on it, but like I have a theory on what it is without even knowing what the backstory is. Okay, first of all, do you like this avatar right here? Okay, the robot head is in the way. It would usually go down into my body, but this game doesn't allow R6 apparently. But like basically it's like the planets flying around the egg. So that's how like that's a cool avatar in my opinion, but like here's how I think like a backstory happened. Here's my theory of a backstory on it. So like the egg hunt ended and it was replaced with the Metaverse Champions. The Metaverse Champions people just like took out like the people who like controlled the eggs or whatever. And then there was one last egg remaining. And let's just say like it was like years from now, the egg like shrunk and shrunk because no one like obtained it. And then like let's just say like it took like a year for like the Metaverse Champions to happen. It is kind of like a made up thing as well. But like the egg is like shrunk and people started to obtain it again. So it didn't grow, but it didn't shrink anymore. So that's my theory of a backstory on it. But let's join let's just join a random game with it. Let's see. What's a good game? Let's join my new game, Yadasu Battlegrounds. which you guys should check out for yourselves. It's basically a game where you can have fun battling other people, and if I somehow join the game while you're in the server, I might even give you the admin tool if you ask, which allows you to teleport around the map, which is sick. Oh my god. I'm so glad I actually got the item. I'm so glad I actually got it. What the heck? Okay, well this is going to be annoying. Let me find a game. Oh, I'm sorry if this is taking a while, but okay, let me see here. Okay, let's see. What's a good game? Oh, I need to join a game for R6. I think I'm just going to have to do oh yeah, my chart obby, which you guys should also check out for yourselves. I'm probably gonna update it later today, maybe. I don't know. I'm just so excited that I actually got the item. Like, I got it. I don't have to like work very hard anymore. This is the first like really good accomplishment that I've felt in like a long time. Like ever since I've got like some of the other event items, I don't know. But here we are. We have the egg. We have the literal egg. I wish I had the Headless Horseman so I could. Oh, hold on. I don't even know if he knows what this is, but. So, yeah, here's my avatar with it. It's a very, very small egg. Look at this. Look how small this is. But it's there. I have, another Roblox item. This is my new head. I'm a pea-brain. I'm a pea-brain. Well, guys, that was basically the video. That's why I wanted to show you me getting this items. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.